Hi, I'm Eric Fong, Marketing Executive of Rapid Group. Rapid Group is a manufacturing company which produces heavy-duty wooden boxes packaging for machineries and also industrial plants machine relocation. Our electricity consumption is around 3,100 per month. After installing solar, my electricity bill dropped until 1,077, which is almost 65% drop in price on average. As a company committed to ESG principle, I believe solar is a win-win. It significantly reduces our reliance on the grid, lowers our electricity bills, and shows our commitment to a cleaner environment. I discovered buySolar on social media and visited their website for more details. The user-friendly site led me to submit an inquiry, and I was impressed by their quick and professional response from the team. I also appreciated that buySolar streamlines the process by providing multiple quotes from different suppliers through a single contact. buySolar services handle everything from initial quotation, site consultation, application, and installation. I just need to deal with buySolar only. Yes, we apply for double tax incentives, which are capital allowance and green investment. buySolar team did all the submission of all the applications and both incentive has been approved. Yes, buySolar truly exceeded my expectations. Their team was professional and efficient from start to finish, and the system is performing even better than expected. I definitely recommend buySolar to other businesses looking to switch to solar power, as their service and user-friendly app makes the process smooth and easy.